In this video, I will talk about condition. Condition is a very important and very interesting topic in programming. Condition simply mean you give your requirement and you give the thing that if anyone meet this requirement, you will give these thing. Like you give a requirement like you will give the loan to those users whose age is greater than 18. You give a requirement that if his age is less than 18, then he will not apply to the loan. And if his age is greater than 18, he can apply the loan. Or any example like if these thing, then these things. Like if he meet these conditions, I will give him these things. Like if his mark is greater than 18, then I will award him. Like there are also multiple conditions if else if, like if his mark is greater than 70, then I will give him a 10,000. If his marks are greater than 80, I will give him a 15,000. If his mark is greater than 90, then I will give him a 20,000. So condition simply mean you give your requirement, and if he meets your requirement, you will give them those things that you have defined. Like if I in a simple word, if these thing done, then these thing will done. If this condition meet, then this body of the code, these thing will be given to him, these line will be executed. So let's check in programming. Like there are many conditions like if else if, switch. So in this video I will talk about if. What is the syntax of if? Like first we write if, then small bracket, and then we write our condition, and then curly braces, and then we write our code that it will execute if condition is true. Like if I give you example, like if int a is equal to 5 and int b is equal to 4. If I make a program that if a greater than b, then print a is greater than b. If it meet, then this line will execute. A is greater than b, so this line will execute. If I write a less than b, this condition is false because a is greater than b, 5 is greater than b, and this condition is false, so this line will never execute. Like if I give you another example, like my name is Ayan. If I like make a condition like if my name is equal to other name, if this is true that my name is same as a other name, then this line will execute, like print same name. You can give any condition, any bodies of this condition. I am give you a small example, like if my name is equal to other name, then print it same name. And if I run it, this condition is true because my name and other name is same, therefore this line is executing. And if I made like change my name, other name, so this is not going to execute because my name and other name is not same. And if I give you another example, like if other name is Ayan and make it a bool like student and initialize it as a false. So if I make a program that if its name is Ayan and he is a student, then enter them in anywhere. Like if I make a condition, like I write a new condition, if other name is equal to Ayan and I will give another video to this and or operators, like these are the operators equal, and I will give you another video, but in this video I am describing the if condition. So see the concept that I am giving you about the condition, not the variable. I will give you a detailed video about the operators. Now see the concept of condition. Like other name is Ayan and student is equal to true. Then print he can enter. I made a program that if anyone is entering anywhere and if its name is Ayan and he is a student, then he can enter. But there you see its name is Ayan, but he is not a student. Student is equal to false. There is its characteristic. But my condition is that if his name is Ayan and he is a student, then he can enter. But there is, you can see his name is Ayan, but he is not student. So this condition will be a false. So he cannot enter. You see no line is executing. But if I made him true, like he is a student and his name is also Ayan, so what will be there? Like you can see he can enter. So if I give you another example, like his name is Ayan, he is a student and his number is greater than 70. Like his number is greater than, if I make it at a 60, his mark is 60. I make a condition, I'm making a program that if he is a student and his mark is greater than 70, then he can enter, he can apply. So you can write anything, you can perform anything. Here I am giving you some example. So if he is student and his marks is greater than 17, number, like I am giving the number is greater than 70, so student, he can apply. This is my program that he is student and his number is greater than 70, then he can apply. But here you see my condition is that he is a student, but his number is 60, means less than 70. So he could not enter. Like if I run my program, nothing will done. And if I make his mark greater than 70, like he is a student and his mark is greater than 70, he is going to apply in anything. He is a student, his number is greater than 70, he is meeting my requirement. I made a program that if he is a student, his number is greater than 70, then he can apply. It's my requirement. These are your requirements, and he is fulfilling your requirement. So if he is fulfilling your requirement, then he can achieve anything you are going to him. He can apply. So he can apply. He can apply. These are the condition, mean if he fulfill your requirement, you give your requirement in the condition, then he can achieve anything that you are giving to him. So this was about if, and in the next video we will see else and also else if multiple statement. So we will meet in the next video.